Today I visited a young farmer who has been keeping birds. He has a passionate for that. I really loved his way of doing things. I think he just keeps those birds for fun and they're beautiful to watch. So I was able to walk with him all through the place where they feed. We went to the farm just around town. We went also to where some of them are sitting for eggs. They have different names. Most of them I can't remember, but if you have an idea of what kind of birds they are, please comment down in the comment section. And if you love birds, then definitely you're on the right place. I was able to see how they lay big eggs, and also the way they go swimming, feeding on grass, and eventually they walk home. They go outside by themselves, they walk around, they look for food themselves. Sometimes they still have enough food at home. When they go home, he also feeds them. So I think it's a very beautiful way of doing it. And actually, they are very dear. If you have to get one, it's not very cheap, but definitely you'll get a wonderful, beautiful bird for yourself. Also, as a decoration, you can keep it as a pet at home, also as a kind of an income for yourself. So please come with me and see around this place and enjoy if you love birds.